You need to add some spice to your life. Stick around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So today I'm reviewing just a product that I've been using here last little bit, last couple months. Just stick around to the very end, because also I got some big news that I want to share with you after you watch this. So watch all the way to the end and you'll see something special. What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to revisit something that I talked about briefly several months ago. I was trying out some new spices from a company called Fresh Jax. Now, Fresh Jax is a mom and pop's business. They use all organic spices, and I've been trying them out, and I've been really impressed with the product. I mean, it tastes great. They've got a bunch of unusual, or not unusual, but they've got a bunch of unique flavors of seasoning. If you look through their website, you can see that there's all kinds of stuff. I bought a keto-friendly box, and it comes with certain seasons. These, I've replaced some of these. I used up some of them faster than others because I really liked the Caribbean Coast Jamaican jerk seasoning. In fact, I just bought this big container not long ago. So I really like that one a lot. I've liked all of them, and I went in and I bought some habanero and some ghost pepper salt. I like spicy, y'all know that. So, but yeah, it's a great company, and you can have a look at it there and see what's inside. And then you can also see that it is family owned and got the members of the family on the box. How cool is that? And it's handcrafted with love. Now let me talk about the love part real quick. When you buy this box, you'll not only be getting some outstanding seasoning, but you'll also be helping the hungry children in the Jacksonville area. So I love a product with a cause. I think that's great. You can look at the About Us or What We're About on their website, and they'll clearly tell you that they are a Christian company, that they're trying to give back to the community, and I think that's pretty cool myself. So yeah, if you get a chance, and just let me say one quick thing about these. When you get the box like this, let's open it up. They come in these little glass jars, like that right there. And then, but the thing about it is there's no shaker here, okay? So you're gonna have to measure it out or whatever, but that's fine. That's not a deal breaker. Now this does have a built-in shaker and all that good stuff, but really buying in small quantities like these here will keep you seasoning fresh. If you end up getting it in bulk and it's there in your cabinet for 7 years, it's not gonna taste as good as it would. So plus it's kind of like a little sampler. I was introduced to this product on a Facebook group of men, Keto Fuel and Flavor. And they had a little contest or a little giveaway there, and I got a little $25 gift card, which I was very appreciative of. And it's a great group to join. I'll put a link to that in there. So yeah, I got this box and I've tried everything in it. I like everything. I recommend it. I like the cause. And one of the other little things about it, since they don't use any anti-clumping agent, I'll give you a little pro tip right here at the end, just to help you out. If it does clump up a little bit, you can take a toothpick and just kind of swab it in there and stir it up a little bit. But the main thing that causes clumping in any seasoning is if you're over a steaming pot and you're just sitting there shaking away right over that steam, that moisture goes up into the shaker. So a little pro tip here is if you put it in your hand or something like that, or measure it out and put it in the pot that way, it'll keep your stuff from clumping up. So anyway, just thought I'd share this weekends, and like I said, I'm not a part of their company. I don't get paid anything for this or anything quite like that. I just enjoy the product. I like it a lot. And I think if you get a chance to try it out and see if there's something there you like. And the best part is I do have a keto-friendly section, so you know there's no garbage in it, sugar and all that other good stuff. So yeah, I just crossed over the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I know that's that's crazy, because when I first started, I didn't know if anybody would watch. I just wanted to stay sober, and this was kind of my outlet, and something that I just want to do as a hobby, and that's cool. But every time somebody subscribes, in my mind, I'm like, thank you for subscribing. So anyway, with all that being said, there's a couple hurdles in YouTube land. 1,000 subscribers is the first one if you want to get monetized, and the second one is 4,000 watch hours. So I'm about 1,000 short on that. But like I said, that's not the reason I started my channel. But you know, if they're putting ads on my page, I might as well get a little something for it. I mean, right? But anyway, to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna, if you drop something in the comments, what's your favorite seasoning, what's your favorite episode I've done so far, whatever, just put something in the comments below. And then this time next week, next Saturday morning, I'm going to randomly pick a name out of that comment section, and then you can win a $25 gift card to Fresh Jax. So yeah, I'm going to keep it fun, and just a small teeny tiny token of saying, hey, I appreciate all of y'all